how to create a Smule account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you need to download Smule app on your device. For that, you have to go to your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you have to tap in search for Smule, and you'll be able to see this app, so you can install it on your device. And after installing, you have to go for open option. After opening, you have to select your preferred language on your region. If you already have got an account, then you can see you can log in with your Facebook, Google or email. Since there is no any option for sign off, first you have to simply go for any option. And if you have selected Google, then you have to select an Google account with which you want to create an account. After that, it will automatically ask for your information for creating your profile. So here you can either upload your profile picture, and in the text box you can edit your name. If it's okay, then you can go for next. Here you can simply go for skip option. Since Smule is a premium app, you have to pay for it. But if you want to start free trial, then you can go for start free trial. If not, then you can simply go for no thanks. And by doing that, you can see my profile has been created. From over here, you can explore the various songs, and you can also sing your own song in the music. And by following this simple step, you can create Smule account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.